Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to factory reset a Motorola Moto G87. First, go into Settings, then scroll down to System and Reset Options. There, we press Erase all data, re-enter your PIN, and erase all data. Now, restarting process will take a few minutes, so I'll be right back when it boots back up. And now, when we're back on the welcome screen, you can just set up your phone as usual. So choose your language and press start. You can set up using another device, but we'll skip it for now. You can choose Wi-Fi to connect to. Now we accept and continue. Now, we set up the phone for myself. Now we can sign in into a Google account, but we'll skip it for now. We'll skip this as well. Set up your PIN. Then press on done. We'll skip setting up the fingerprint. More and accept. Next, choose your browser engine. Now we can skip this. Now we can choose the navigation style. We'll choose gestures. We'll stay with the light mode. We'll skip the parental controls and finish. Now go to my screen. You can skip this. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.